Welcome back to Accounting Principles Easy. Before we dive into T accounts, let's understand what an account is. An account is simply a record that tracks all the increases and decreases in one specific item. For example, we have a cash account to track money coming in and out, a rent account to track payments, and a capital account to track the owner's investment. Accounts help us organize financial information so we can see exactly how each transaction affects the business. A T account is shaped like the letter T. On the left side, we record debits, and on the right side, we record credits. Every account, whether it's cash, rent, or capital, has its own T account. This format makes it easy to visualize transactions and keep everything balanced. Here's the key rule. In T accounts, the debit side records all the accounts that normally carry a debit balance, like assets, expenses, and dividends. The credit side records accounts that normally carry a credit balance, like liabilities, equity, and revenue. To remember this easily, use the dealer trick: D for dividends, E for expenses, A for assets, L for liabilities, E for equity, and R for revenue. I explained dealer in detail in a previous video, so make sure to check that out if you want a deeper dive. Let's look at an example. Suppose the owner invests $1,000 cash into the business. In the cash account, we debit $1,000 because cash is increasing. In the capital account, we credit $1,000 because the owner's equity is increasing. Notice how one debit equals one credit. This is the principle of double entry accounting. Here's another example. The business pays $200 for rent. Rent expense is debited $200 because expenses increase with debits. Cash is credited $200 because cash is decreasing. Again, debit equals credit, keeping the accounts balanced. T accounts are the foundation of double entry accounting. They help us visualize transactions, ensure that debits equal credits, and form the basis for preparing trial balances and financial statements. Once you master T accounts, the rest of accounting becomes much easier. And that's it. You now understand T accounts and how to use the dealer trick to remember debit and credit accounts. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out my previous video where I explained dealer in detail. See you in the next video.